Good morning, children. In the social studies class, I have wished you a very, very happy new year. In English literature class, also, I wish you a very happy new year. Again, my blessings to all of you. Just like your parents, I am also uh, an elderly person who always thinks good of you. So I bless you that you be happy and successful in all your endeavor in your life. This is my blessings to you and my desire to the Almighty. Now, as far as the lesson is concerned, we are studying, we are reading the story, The Rescue. We have known how a baby elephant has been caught by a greedy man known as Nalia, and he wants to sell the baby elephant. He has tied the baby elephant in his cowshed, but a few boys, they are so good, they wanted to free the baby elephant from uh, from the cowshed. So at night, somehow they get inside the house of Nalia, and then they try to free the baby elephant. We'll see what happened next. Now, we have read up to this. The baby elephant squealed. Squeal means made a high pitched sound. Made a high pitched sound. Shouted with a high pitched sharp sound. Shouted with a sharp sound. Squealed nervously. Outside, the guard awoke and jumped to his feet. So the guard has also awakened now. Up to now, whatever the boys were doing, they were doing in secrecy. Nobody was knowing what they are doing because the guard was sleeping. Now the guard has awakened by the squeal of the elephant and also by the bellow of the oxen. He is coming in to investigate. Investigate means to check up. Investigate means to check up. Who is coming? The guard. He is coming in to investigate. Dhani hissed urgently. What on earth can we do? Now these boys also, they got nervous because they had to free the elephant and they themselves had to run away from there. They did not want the guard to see them. The empty shed offered no cover. The door was the only point of exit. Set the baby free, Jaunty said in a nervous whisper. He is our only chance. So, Jaunty said the baby should be set free so that the baby can run away from here. The guard was already at the door. The boys let go of the calf. Let go of the calf means they freed the calf. They left the calf on its own. Bubble hit it smartly on the back. With a startled cry, it shot off like an express train. That means it started running very, very fast. Bubble hit it smartly on the back so that the calf knew that it has to run very fast. With a startled cry, it shot off like an express train. It rammed means hit. Rammed means hit. It rammed straight into the guard. That means the calf hit the guard, pushing him aside. The man let out a yell. Yell means shout. The man let out a yell of alarm as he fell. The man fell down okay because the man was no match for the baby elephant. The baby elephant was much stronger than the man, that is the guard. He fell down, but before falling down, he shouted and yell of alarm. He was not hurt, and in a second, he was dashing after the fleeing baby. Fleeing means running. Fleeing means escaping. The boys were out of the shed like lightning. Now the boys also, they went out of the shed through the door. They ran across the empty backyard. The boys did not go out through the door. They went out through the fence. They ran across the empty backyard, scaled the fence. Scaled the fence means that means they crossed the fence. They climbed up the fence and went to the other side. Scaled means to climb up. Scale means to climb up. Scaled the fence in one swift movement and then ran to the gate to watch the fun. Now they have freed the baby elephant and they wanted to watch the fun because now the baby elephant is running very fast. Nobody can stop it now. The guard was unable to stop it now. The elephant calf was leading the man on a merry chase. The elephant calf was leading the man on a merry chase. The man, that is the watchman, the watch guard, the guard was running behind the baby elephant. Merry chase means the baby elephant was running, the guard was also running. He was unable to catch the elephant, but he was trying to catch the elephant, but he was unable to catch the baby elephant. Escaped, the guard shouted as he ran. The elephant calf has escaped. He shouted, so that other people come to know about it. And they wake up and they also start running behind they also start and help him to catch the baby elephant. That's why he shouted. The elephant calf has escaped. Voices sounded within the hut. Someone lit a lantern and the front door burst open. Nalia and two others rushed out and joined in the furious chase. Round and round the baby went with the men in hot pursuit. Hot pursuit means following quickly. The baby elephant was running round and the men were also running behind him. Nalia, quicker on his feet than the others, almost caught up with the animal, but lost his balance and fell flat on his face. So Nalia was about to catch the baby elephant, but suddenly he lost his balance and fell on his face. Nalia quickly came up with an idea. They would rush the baby from all sides, cutting off all its escape routes. Under Nalia's instructions, the men separated and jumped at the animal from different directions. So they planned to attack or to catch the animal from various directions. So under Nalia's instructions, the men separated and jumped at the animal from different directions. The result was not what they had hoped for. They had hoped that they could catch the baby elephant if they attacked it from all the direction. But it was not to be. The result was not what they had hoped for. The four of them banged into each other. My God. The four of them banged into each other. They hit each other while the baby slipped through the gap. The baby slipped through the gap, but the four of them banged with each other and rushed blindly. The baby elephant rushed blindly straight at Nalia's hut. Again it went to Nalia's hut. The walls of the hut were weak as they were made of bamboo. The walls of the hut was weak as they were made of bamboo. The elephant calf did not know its own strength. It was very strong, but it was unaware of its own strength. Elephant calf. It went through the walls as if they were made of paper because it was very strong. The baby elephant was very strong. So it broke the bamboo walls just like as if the walls were made of paper. Nalia looked up at the heavens. Heavens means looked up at the sky. Tore at his hair and emitted a terrible wail. Emitted a terrible wail means screamed, shouted, cried out. With a fearful howl, he rushed at the baby with murder in his eyes. Murder in his eyes means great anger. Murder in his eyes means extreme anger, great anger. His hands curved like claws as if to throttle the calf alive. Throttle means to catch hold of its neck and throttle it. The fleeing baby brought down more walls of the hut. Nalia let out a long, painful cry as he looked at the shambles that had once been his house. Shambles means mess or wreck, the breakage of his house. It was his house, but now Now nobody can say that it was a house. It was all, now it was all breakage and wreckage. That's all. Everywhere, walls were broken everywhere. Get the kunki, Nalia barked. The kunki was the trained elephant. Nalia had one trained elephant. His name was Kunki. We will have to rope the calf. We must do something, Babul said urgently. If they bring the Kunki, the calf doesn't stand a chance. Because Kunki is much more powerful, isn't it? Much more strong. Come, said Dhanai. I know a trick that might work. He led his companions far away from Nalia's hutment and stopped at the point where a narrow trail led into the sanctuary. Sanctuary means a place where animals live peacefully. Sanctuary of animals. Dhanai put 2 fingers to his mouth and let out a piercing. Piercing means let out a piercing whistle. You might have seen some people, they put 2 fingers inside their mouth and they whistle very loudly. This was a trick his father, an experienced elephant man, had taught him. The effect was electric, means effect was immediate. With great speed, it took off in the direction from which the whistle had come. By now, the baby had gauged its own strength. That means baby had come to know about its own strength. Gauged its own strength means come to know about its own strength. Previously, it had stayed away from the bamboo barrier because the elephant was thinking the bamboo barrier is very strong and it will hurt him. But now it rammed straight into the gate. The weak structure came apart and the baby was out. It raced to the waiting boys who gave it a hurried but affectionate welcome. So let us see. Okay. Then quickly they led the baby into the sanctuary. Sanctuary means that forest where the animals live peacefully, live their own life, live their natural life. A forest in which animals live their natural life is known as a sanctuary. As they entered the deep woods, wood means forest here. Wood means here it is not wood, it is forest. As they entered the deep woods of the sanctuary, the boys slowed down to find the mother elephant. Now they could see the mother of the baby elephant. As if to help them, the mother let out a loud and clear trumpet. Trumpet means again whistling sound. You might have heard the sound of elephant. Same sound it let out. With a joyous squeal. Squeal means sharp sound. The baby broke loose from the boys and rushed towards its mother. So this is how the baby elephant was rescued. That's why the name of the story is The Rescue. It is a very, very interesting story and gives you a moral that we should not captivate or catch wild animals. Let them stay in their own home. If somebody catches us and takes us to his house and takes and makes us prisoner, will we like it? No, we will not like it. Similarly, animals also have the right to live their own life. Let them live their own life. We should not catch them and we should not chain them. We should not catch them. We should not make them captive. Okay, this is actually the moral of the lesson. Good boys, they were good boys. Jaunty, Babul, they were good boys. They rescued the baby elephant. And again, mother and baby, they met each other and they were together again. Okay? Okay, children. Bye then. Thank you very much.